Question hook: ever wondered how much money you can pump into your bank account in a single day? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're dealing with a large sum. Today, we're diving into the world of daily maximum deposit limits. Building context. Why it matters: understanding daily deposit limits is crucial for various reasons. Whether you're managing a small business, making a significant investment, or simply trying to avoid unnecessary fees, knowing these limits can save you time and hassle. Historical context: briefly touch on how deposit limits have evolved over time, from the days of gold and silver to the modern digital era. This can provide a fascinating perspective on how banking practices have changed. The basics of daily deposit limits. What is a daily deposit limit? Define the term clearly and concisely. Factors affecting limits. Explain the various factors that can influence daily deposit limits, such as bank type. Compare and contrast limits for different types of banks, e.g., commercial banks, credit unions. Account type. Discuss how account types, e.g., checking, savings, money market, can impact limits. Customer status. Explore how factors like customer loyalty, account history, and credit score can affect limits. Deposit method. Discuss how different deposit methods, e.g., cash, check, electronic transfer, may have varying limits. Common scenarios and best practices. Large deposits. Provide guidance on how to handle large deposits, including potential strategies to avoid exceeding limits. International transfers. Discuss the specific challenges and considerations involved with international transfers. Business deposits. Explain how daily deposit limits might differ for businesses and offer tips for managing large business transactions. Frequently asked questions. Address common questions related to daily deposit limits, such as: what happens if I exceed the limit? Can I increase my daily deposit limit? Are there any fees associated with exceeding limits? Real-world examples and case studies. Share personal experiences. If applicable, share personal anecdotes or stories related to daily deposit limits. Case studies. Present real-world examples of individuals or businesses that have encountered challenges or benefits related to deposit limits. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video. Encourage further research. Suggest additional resources or topics viewers might find interesting. Call to action. Invite viewers to subscribe to your channel for more financial content. Closing statement. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to always be mindful of your daily deposit limits. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy banking.